Hi friends, this video how to make a own proximity sensor in our home. One IR LED, one photodiode, one IC741. It is a op-amp. You can use any other op-amp instead of this IC. 470 ohm resistor to number. One 10k ohm resistor, 10k variable resistor, one number, one LED, and last one PCB board. This is the circuit diagram. This is very simple. You can see it's no other complications. Then temporarily put all equipment in the hole of the dotted PCB for measuring how space required for the circuit. Then we start with IR LED. We put it to the hole of the PCB and apply flux to the leg. You can see in the circuit the IR LED is parallel to the supply. Its output of the IR emission is constant. After the soldering, bend the IR LED one side of the PCB. Then fix the photodiode on this board. In proximity sensor module, the photodiode is the sensor of the circuit. Apply flux to the leg of the photodiode. Then fix it in the board by soldering. Then fix the variable resistor on the board. The variable resistor is the reference of the sensor module. Then apply flux on each legs and fix on the board by soldering. Then op-amp IC fixed to the PCB board. You can see in the circuit connected third pin of the IC and the variable point of the port. After that, we connected a 470 ohm resistor to the one end of IR LED and the seventh pin of the IC. After that, connect a 10k resistor between IC's point 7 pin and photodiode. I make a mistake. This resistor want to connect before fix the 470 ohm resistor to the circuit. It wants some space, but I already fixed 470 ohm resistor to the circuit, and it only remains some tiny space. Then connect all neutral points. The connection goes to the IC's fourth leg and the positive side of photodiode and the negative side of IR LED and the one side of variable resistance. Be careful with the soldering. If you fix it to the board, it's very difficult to the unsoldering and it may damage the devices. Then connect the middle point of photodiode and 10k ohm resistor to the second pin of the IC. This is the point to give the sensing voltage to the op amp. Then connect the indicator. It's a LED and series with 470 ohm resistor and parallel with the output terminal of 6 and ground point. Then finally connect input and output terminals. Then cut all extended legs. Then connect it to the supply voltage and test and verify the output. You can see it's working. We can change its sensitivity by varying the variable resistor. At this point, the sensor acts reverse mode. Connect the output point, the LED and 470 ohm resistor are not necessary, but it indicate the output of the sensor, and instead of this LED we connect any 5 volt element or equipment to the circuit and we control without the microcontroller and remove all extended board and cables.